Welcome back once again. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, it's Arbitrage Genius, where I teach you guys how to make money. So if you don't want to miss out on any money making video, kindly click on that subscription button and click on the notification bell. So this video will be similar to a video I made few months ago on this channel. I've had a lot of people reaching out to me regarding this platform, Magnatus.com. It's like you guys don't seem to understand how to use this platform, so I will be explaining in full details in this video. So as I mentioned in the previous video, this platform can be used for your PayPal arbitrage. You get PayPal funds at lower rates, and then you come down to this platform to convert that PayPal funds into USDT or any other assets. So now this is my account. Let me show you my dashboard right here. As you can see, this order with green plus signs are the completed orders. So I've been using this platform for a while. Let me show you my statistics. Let's wait for it to load up. So this is my statistics. As you can see, the total sum of completed exchange I had is 819.61 USD. And there's something you should take note: as your level increases, there's always a discount. As you can see, if you guys start as a new user, you always have a discount of 1% on every exchange you make, on every transaction. But as for me, currently I'm having 4% discount. So very soon I'll move into this apprentice level when I reach a total trade of 1000 USD. So it's as simple as that. So now as a new user, let me show you how the interface will look, because it will be different from this, because this is my dashboard. So now let me go into incognito mode and show you guys how it will look. So you visiting this website for the first time, you can either access this website by clicking on the link in the description box, or just type in magnatus.com/en so that you'll be directed to the English page, because we have the Russian version and the English version. So once on this page like this, what you have to do, you can see we have the gift tab right here. These are the assets you can give. This give option means what you'll be sending, but for the sake of this video, we'll be using PayPal USD. So now let's click on PayPal USD, and then we see these new options will pop up right here. As you can see on this side, we have receive. So what we'll be receiving in exchange for PayPal USD. As you can see, we have Perfect Money USD, we have Advanced Cash USD, Bitcoin, Stellar USDT. As for me personally, I prefer going for USDT. You can choose Bitcoin, you can choose Stellar XLM, and this extra right here means the percentage they will deduct from your exchange. So I personally prefer going for USDT, since it has the same commission fee as most of other cryptos. So, and it's very simple and easy. I'll just receive USDT in my Binance account and then transfer it into my funding wallet and sell straight away on Binance P2P. It's as simple as that. So now let me click on T30 RC20 USDT as what we'll be receiving. So there will be a commission fee of 12.9%. Now let's click on that. So a page like this will open up. So you have to be very careful on this page so that you don't get confused. So you have to put in your email, the email which you would like to link with your Magnatus account, or which you would like to register your Magnatus account with. So you just put in your email. So as you can see, this direction right here, we'll be giving PayPal USD and receive Theta CRC20 USDT. We can just leave that. So the amount of PayPal we'll be giving. So let's just put in something random. Let us, we want to send 100 PayPal USD fund. So we just put in 100 USD. So, and they will show us the amount we'll be receiving right here. We'll be receiving a total of 87.1 USDT. This is a commission fee of 12.9%. And you have to take note of this. If you are sending anything less than 19.38 USD, there is a fixed fee of 2.5 USD. You have to take note of that. So once we fill in this information, we have to check this box, these two boxes. You have to check them to ensure you read the rules and terms of exchange and all that. You can go through that on your own. So, and then most importantly right here, you have to take note of this. You have to input the email associated with your PayPal account, the email which you use to register your PayPal account. So that's what you put right here. So, and then your USDT wallet address, you paste it right here. So once you've done that, the next step is this optional add-ons. Actually, you don't need all this. You can just go through this. Most of these are not That's important. They just attract a lot of additional charges, which doesn't make sense. So you can just omit that. And then these notes right here, you can just put in anything you wish. You can just put in let's start trade ASAP. Something random. You can just put in something random, and then the next thing you have to do is check on this "I'm not a robot" and then submit. So once you submit, a page will load up. As a new user, you'll be asked to submit your ID, and also you'll be asked to send the profile page of your PayPal account so that they can ensure that the PayPal account belongs to you. So it has to, the name of the PayPal profile has to correspond with the name you will be using to register on Magnatus. So it's as simple as that. Those are the two requirements they ask for. So after that has been verified, there's something they call a requisite. It's like the payment information. So once they verify your profile and your account, the requisites to make the payment will be sent to you. That is the payment information that will contain the steps of which you should make the payment and the email you'll be sending your PayPal funds to. So once you get that, you send the PayPal funds, and once your payment is confirmed, then your USDT will be sent to you. So once all that is done, then you can now send your USDT on Binance P2P. So the way to make money from this is by buying PayPal funds at a lower rate, either from friends, family, or posting ads on Binance and other P2P platforms. Let's imagine you buy 100 USD PayPal funds from someone at the rate of 650. So you'll be sending 65,000 naira to the person, and in return you get 87 USDT. Let me go to my calculator and do the calculation real quick. So in my calculator, you will receive 87 USDT. Let's multiply this by 840, which is the current USDT rate. So minus 65,000 naira, which you paid for the PayPal fund. So you'll be making a profit of 8,000 naira, guys. 8,000 naira. So this is very profitable, and only few people knows about this. So instead of selling your funds to exchangers and all that, so you instead buy PayPal funds from people and exchange on this platform to make profits. So as we proceed, I will show you guys a live trade, a live transaction right now. Listing. So once I'm in my order listing, I'll just click on this right here. This is the active trade I'm having. As you can see, the status waiting for clients. That is, they are waiting for me to make the payments. Let me click on the order ID, and this is the information they sent to me. The payment must be in USD and receiving by us in currency exactly EUR, EUR. So this is my PayPal account, where I have a balance of 28 USD 08 cents. So now let me go back to Magnatus to copy the payment information. So now I'm back to Magnatus. So right here, you need to pay PayPal on account this email address. So let me just tap and hold, then I copy. So at times their English might be somehow, but you just have to understand. So once I've copied that, I'll go back to PayPal, then I'll paste the email right into PayPal. So once I've done that, I'll tap on this send to right here. Let me click on it. PayPal will load up. Yes. So once PayPal load up this information, now let me go back to Magnatus. You can see right here on the top right here, it says the payment must be in currency USD and receiving by us in currency exactly EUR. So now let me go back to PayPal and show you what that means. So meaning I personally, I will send USD and recipient gets euro. So what they mean right here is the payment from my side must be EUR and they should get exactly, the payments from my side must be USD and they should receive EUR. Hope you guys understand that. So now let me copy this is the amount to send right here, which is 28.08 USD. Now let me put the amount into PayPal, 28.08 USD. So you don't have to worry about the conversion. That doesn't concern you. All you have to do is just send the exact amount they asked you to send, which is 28.08 USD. So currency receiving by us is euro. Payment type goods and services. Shipping address, no shipping required. So now let me go back to PayPal and show you that. Okay, I've not gotten to that stage. Now let me go back to Magnatus and show you one more thing. The text of message, do not specify anything in this feed. So this is what they are talking about. This feed right here. What's this payment for? You don't have to specify anything, just leave it blank. So once you input that and all that is done, what you have to do is click on this next button right here. So once you click on next, PayPal will load, and then how do you want to pay? I'm paying with my PayPal balance, so let's tap on next. So once we click on next right there, so you have to take note of this. Magnatus asked us not to select shipping address. So as you can see, no shipping required. So you have to make sure you select that on your PayPal account. No address needed, no shipping required. So that's it. So let PayPal load up, and then we now have everything fully set up. So these amounts we are paying in USD, 28.08 USD, and they will be receiving these amounts in euro. So now let's click on send. Let's wait for PayPal. Yes. So now the transaction is successful. PayPal has made the payments. So I'll take a screenshot of this. Yes. So I've made a screenshot of that. And then second thing, I'll go back to my home page. Let's wait for it to load up. I've received notification on my mail right now. So now the next thing to do is just click on the transaction information, which is this right here. So once we click on that, let's wait for PayPal to load up. Okay. Yeah. So this is transaction information. It shows completed. I know that. I'll make a screenshot of this also. So once I've done that, I'll go back to Magnatus, and then I'll attach those screenshots. I'll choose file right here. Let me select my files. Recent. Yes, these are the two screenshots I took. So I can only select one at a time, no problem. But the most important one is the screenshots of this home page right here. So, and I've selected it right here. So I'll just tap on this answer text space right here. I will just put in payment sent. It's not necessary. All these are optional. The important thing is just to attach the file. So once I've attached the file and put in the answer right there, I'll just tap on add the answer right here. So the major reason why you're having you can see the English used is not that correct or perfect, is because it's a Russian website. So it's just like the direct and raw translation from Russia. So it's not like the website is an English built website. So it's just a translation. So, and you can't expect it to be that perfect. So that's why you're having that English challenge. So I've attached the screenshots and I've made the payment. So let's just wait for them to confirm our payments, and then let's wait for USDT. So I'll get back to you guys once they confirm my payment and once they send me the USDT. Yeah, so I'm back, guys. This is my Magnatus account. So this is the transaction ID right here. Let me click on it and let it open up. So as you can see, yes, this information sends to me to make the payment. So this was the screenshot I sent to them that I've actually made the payment. And you can see they reached out to me at this time. And then at this point right here, I've gotten my USDT. They have completed C30RC20 transaction by your requisites. So I got my USDT then. So all these took less than 1 hour. At times it will take long, at times it will take up to a day before you get your payment. So but don't be scared, you'll definitely get your payment. And at times within 10 minutes, 20 minutes, you receive your payment. All depend on the volume of trade they have at hand. So it's as simple as that, guys. Now let me go to my Binance account and show you the proof that I have actually gotten my USDT. But before that, this is the verification mail from Binance when the fund was deposited. As you can see, your deposit of 25.58 USDT is now available in your Binance account. So as you can see, I received the payment around 6:56 p.m. yesterday. So I'm just making the confirmation video now. So now let me go to my Binance and show you guys the balance. Yeah, so this is my Binance account. Let me log in. Yes. So now let me go to my wallet. You can see I have a total balance of 62.39. So let me go to my spots right here. Let me tap on that and let me click on USDT. So as you can see my history, I now have a deposit of 25.58 USDT. You can see the time right here. That's 7:56. So the whole transaction took less than 1 hour. But as I mentioned earlier, at times it do take long. In fact, even up to 24 hours at times. So I received the 25.58 cents to me from Magnatus. So it's as simple as that, guys. Magnatus is a legit platform which I'll be using, and you guys can start using it right away. So if you guys still have any concern or question about how to use Magnatus or how to make payments, how to register, kindly reach out to me in the comment section. So, and also a lot of people have been reaching out to me about creating a group. I'm actually working on that. So very soon I'm going to create a Telegram group where we can all discuss and talk about latest arbitrage and stuffs. So if you guys find this video interesting, kindly click on that subscribe button and smash the notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified whenever I post a video on this channel. So thank you once again, guys.